Hi, my name is Nicholas. This is the first video in this channel. Right now, I'm working in the grocery store, but I'm learning programming. I'm not here to look perfect. I'm here to be real. I'm from Ukraine, and because of the war, my life changed. I became an immigrant. Not because I wanted a new adventure, but because I needed safety. In my country, many men are forced into the war, and I didn't want my life to be decided for me. So I come to Poland and started from zero. Right now, I work in the grocery store. It's honest work, but it's not my dream. But I'm not complaining. I'm grateful for the chance to work. And now I want to build a real future. I work in the grocery store. It's a normal work, but it's hard to grow. I don't want to live paycheck to paycheck. I want stability. I want freedom. I want to wake up and now my future is my hands. I have a university diploma, but my life changed. Moving to another country is not easy. I had to start from simple jobs, and I respect that. But I also know I can do more. I choose programming because it's real. You can learning step by step, and your result depend on you. I like the idea that you build something, you solve problems, you grow. My goal is simple. In 1 year, I want to be job ready. Not perfect, but ready a junior role. I want to work with smart people and become better every month. My plan is also simple. I learn every day. I build project. I show progress publicly. I get feedback. I improve. I will focus on basics first, then small projects, then bigger projects, and I don't want two jumps. I want a strong foundation. Why I do this publicly? I record this because I want accountability. I want to push myself. Also, maybe one day someone from IT will see this and they will know this person is serious. If you are a developer or a manager and you watch this, I'm not asking for luck. I'm asking for a chance one day. I learn fast, I work hard, I show up every day. So, this is my start. Welcome to From Zero to Code. If you want to follow a real journey, subscribe.